Hello everybody, welcome to Adnate Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video, we are going to see a multiple choice question in laws of motion. Perhaps in this week, we are going to see 6 questions from this chapter, laws of motion. What is the question, sir? The question is, a ball of mass 0.5 kg is dropped from a height of 40 meter. The ball hits the ground and rises to a height of 10 meter. It is bounced back, is it not? Okay, rises to a height of 10 meter. The impulse imparted to the ball during its collision with the ground is how much? That is the question. You are given 4 options. Number 1, 0. Number 2, 84 Newton second. Newton second is the unit of impulse, is it not? That you know very well. So option C, 21 Newton second, and option 4, 7 Newton second. Which one is the right answer? You have to find it out. So this question has been asked in the NEET examination in 2025. That is this year. Okay, that's all. How to solve this problem, sir? Impulse imparted on the ball, its symbol is I. It is given by the equation. The expression for impulse is change in momentum. What is how to find change in momentum? mvf minus mvi. It means what? You take m commonly and Vf minus Vi. M into Vf minus Vi. What is m? Mass of the ball. It has been given that 0.5 kg. Vf final velocity of the ball, which you have to find it out. Vi initial velocity of the ball. Okay. So here Vi is the initial velocity of the ball. Equation for velocity when the body is moving in a vertical direction is the square root of 2gh. That you know very well. So 2 into g acceleration due to gravity 9.8 into height 40. So 2 into 40 80, 80 into 9.8 784. Square root of 784 is equal to 28 meters per second. Okay, that's all. Then Vf is the final velocity of the ball. Once again square root of 2gh, 2 into 9.8 into 10. So because the ball rises only to 10 meter. It has been dropped from the height of 40 meter. It is bounced. When it is bounced back, it rises to 10 meter only. So 2 into 10, 20. 20 into 9.8, square root of 196. What is square root of 196? It is 14 meter per second. You know the table 14, is it not? 14 into 14, 196. So impulse I is equal to m into 0.5. Vf 14 meter per second minus of minus 28. Why this minus 28, sir? So because during the upward motion and the downward motion, the direction is opposite each other, is it not? So negative sign shows that the direction of motion is opposite in these two cases. So when it is dropped, it is in one direction, that is towards downward. When it is bounced back, it is moving in the up direction. So one is positive, another one is negative. So minus of minus 28. So minus of minus plus. So 28 plus 14, 42. So 0.5 into 42. It means what? 42 divided by 2, it is equal to 21 Newton second. The impulse imparted to the ball is 21 Newton second. Option C is the right answer. So once again, one more thing is, I have to make a mention about it. So this root of 784 is equal to 28 meters per. Is it easy to find it out so easily, sir? So is it so easy? It's not so easy. Only if you are well versed in your numerical ability, you can find it out. This 28 meter per second. So because this is square root of less than somewhat 100. If it is 900, it will be equal to square root of 9. What is square root of 900? 30 meter per second. It is somewhat lesser. How much is it lesser? You must be able to find out. If you are capable, if you are well versed in numerical ability, you will easily find that it is 28 meters per second. Okay. So anyway, 21 Newton second, option C is the right answer for this question. We will see one more question in laws of motion in our next video. Till then, thank you one and all. Okay.